How to achieve soft, pink, and healthy lips. Hey, beauties! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am about to spill all the secrets on how you can achieve soft, pink, and healthy lips without breaking the bank. Who doesn't want luscious lips that are as soft as a petal and as pink as a rose? Am I right? So grab your favorite lip balm and let's dive into this budget-friendly lip care routine that will have your palette looking perfect in no time. But before we dive in, let's start by knowing what is lip care. Lip care means taking care of your lips to keep them healthy and looking good. This includes keeping them moisturized with lip balm, protecting them from the sun, and exfoliating them to remove dry skin. Lip care helps prevent chapping, cracking, and keeps your lips soft and smooth. Let's start. Exfoliation. The key to achieving soft and pink lips starts with exfoliation. Just like you exfoliate your skin to remove dead cells, your lips also need a good scrub every now and then. But don't worry, you don't need to splurge on expensive lip scrubs. You can easily make your own at home with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Mix some sugar with honey or coconut oil to create a gentle lip scrub that will slough off dead skin and reveal softer, smoother lips underneath. Hydration. Hydrated lips are happy lips, so make sure you are drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep your lips moisturized from the inside out. You can also invest in a good lip balm that contains hydrating ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, or almond oil. Apply a generous amount of lip balm before bed and let it work its magic overnight. You'll wake up with plump and hydrated lips that are ready to take on the day. Sun protection. Just like your skin, your lips need protection from the sun's harmful rays. Exposure to UV rays can not only cause your lips to darken, but also lead to dryness and chapping. Look for a lip balm with SPF to shield your lips from sun damage. If you're in a pinch, you can also use a dab of sunscreen on your lips before heading out. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to maintaining soft and pink lips. Natural remedies. Nature has provided us with a treasure trove of ingredients that can help improve the health and appearance of our lips. For example, applying a thin layer of rose water on your lips before bed can help lighten dark spots and give your lips a rosy tint. You can also use beetroot juice as a natural lip stain to achieve that coveted pink hue. Overnight treatments. If you want to wake up with baby soft lips, consider using an overnight treatment to give your lips some extra love and care. You can apply a thick layer of honey on your lips and leave it on overnight for intense hydration and nourishment. Another option is to use a lip mask that contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides to repair and rejuvenate your lips while you sleep. Trust me, your lips will thank you in the morning. Good oral hygiene. Taking care of your lips goes beyond just using lip balms and scrubs. Maintaining good oral hygiene is also crucial for keeping your lips healthy and pink. Make sure you are brushing and flossing regularly to prevent any bacterial buildup around your mouth that could lead to lip irritation or discoloration. A healthy smile goes hand in hand with soft and pink lips, so don't neglect your oral care routine. Lip massage. Give your lips some extra care by incorporating a gentle lip massage into your daily routine. Using your fingertips, gently massage your lips in circular motions to increase blood flow and stimulate collagen production. This will not only make your lips look plumper and more defined but also help maintain their natural pink color. Plus, it's a great way to relax and unwind at the end of a long day. DIY lip treatments. If you're on a budget but still want to pamper yourself, why not try some DIY lip treatments that you can whip up in your kitchen? Mash up some ripe avocado and apply it to your lips for a nourishing and moisturizing treatment. Or mix some turmeric powder with honey to create a lip mask that will help reduce pigmentation and brighten your lips. The possibilities are endless when it comes to DIY lip care, so get creative and have fun experimenting with different ingredients. There you have it. Beauties, achieving soft, pink, and healthy lips doesn't have to cost a fortune. With a few simple tweaks to your daily routine and some budget-friendly products, you can have the luscious lips of your dreams. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to lip care, so make sure you stick to your routine and give your lips the love and attention they deserve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.